Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to talk tonight about deck because I have seen some talk about it lately around Simpler Trading. So I thought I would go ahead and let everybody know what it is that I have on deck. No pun intended, or pun intended, I guess I could say. On deck for deck, we have the original setup zone was 305.22 to 305.62. Of course, we do have some symmetrical support underneath that and another cluster a lot further down. But we have bounced from that original setup. And then we got into this resistance up here, okay? That resistance was taken from that low to this high to the low. And then, of course, we've got the 786 of that high to low. So we had resistance at 336.03 to 336.45, failed, and now we are pulling back to a 618. Now in the Fibonacci room, the 618 is not an official setup. However, I do use 618s and 786s as points of risk when I have a retracement. So if you are not in deck yet, or you would like to add some more contracts to deck because you already have it, these would be great places to add some contracts to the position you already have. Of course, if we take out that 786, we're either going to retest this zone of 305.22 to 305.62, or we will make a deeper downside correction. And if that high from today is any good, the target off of that resistance would actually be 296.72. Now, as of right now, we are above the 200 on deck, and we are sitting right at the 50, okay, even just a little bit below it. The 5 and the 13 are on a sell, so something that was a royal setup at one time is now starting to look a little bearish. So if we go past this 618 or 786, I would start to get a little bit nervous. If the low from last week is in place, your target is going to be 355.86 and 369.68. Now, I could give you a shorter term target off of the bounce off of one of these retracements if you are in our room. However, right now, I don't have a way of doing that. I need to see the bounce after midnight tonight and see what starts happening for tomorrow's trading day. Okay, so I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll talk to you soon. If you are not in our trading room at Simpler Trading, please come to the Fibonacci room to join us. We would love to have you. All right, thanks everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me